Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a table with column headings. In the previous video we saw how to create a HTML table, but the table does not have any heading. So to define a heading we have to use the th tag. This th tag will be placed inside the tr tag. Column headings should be defined in the first row of the table. That means when you are using the th tag to define the column heading, it should be in the very first row to see a proper effect of a column heading in the rendered table. So here is the example. Here we defined a column heading for the HTML5 table. The headings are at line numbers 12, 13 and 14. The th tag is used within the first row of the table. So you can see here in the screenshot that the row is expanded. So first we defined a table at line number 10 with a border equal to 1. After that we created a row, and inside the row, instead of using the td tag, we used a th. So this th signifies that the data, description, execution name and usage, these are all rendered as a column heading in the table. After that we defined our regular rows. There are 3 rows and 3 data, so which we have taken from our previous video example. Now let us see this in Internet Explorer. So these rows are from our previous example, so we haven't changed it. It's the same content. Here we introduced a new table row. Inside that we defined our column heading. Alright, now we will execute this and see how the Internet Explorer is rendering the table now. And you can see now you see the heading for the table. So the first column signifies that this is a heading. These cells are heading, and the second one states these are all executable name, and it shows what is the usage. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.